Hey there, YouTube friends. Today I'm going to be doing some painting and I have to move some heavy furniture. So I purchased these Everbilt Furniture Movers from Home Depot for under $10. They're supposed to be able to move up to 1,000 pounds. You could use them on any surface and they are supposed to be reusable. So we're going to put them to the test right now and find out if they work. Okay, so here's the back of the package. As you can see, it's for wood, tile, carpet, linoleum. It moves entertainment units, that's good. Loaded bookcases, that's good. I'm going to have to do that. This is the actual mover. I guess if you're doing it on carpet, you could just leave it as is. But if you're moving it across like a wood floor or something, you put these on them. Okay, so now all we have to do is put this little piece of, I guess, cloth over the disc. Gotta stretch it pretty good to get it on. And we just tuck it in like that. That's pretty easy, no problems there. Okay, first we're going to start with the small stuff. We got this desk here, it's loaded with computer equipment and papers. So I'm going to lift it up. Put one pad underneath. There's two. Three. There's four. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see if it moves. And it does move. I'm moving it myself. This is the lightest piece, I believe. So I'll be curious to see what happens when we get to the heavier stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to try to move the bookcase. As you can see, it's fully loaded. I didn't take anything off, but we got the furniture movers underneath. Let's see what happens. Works pretty good. No scratches on the floor. It makes it a lot easier than having to unload the entire bookcase. Still got to muscle it a little bit. It's pretty easy. Okay, now we're going to try the big boy. This TV alone weighs about 110 pounds. So the whole entertainment center with everything in it weighs about at least 400 pounds. It's working. Still takes a little muscle, but yeah, it's working good. No scratches on the floor. So yes, this product meets my seal of approval. 4 stars. Okay, here's a shot of the floor where we just moved that 400-pound entertainment center, and as you can see, there are no scratches. Alright, one tip: if you're going to be moving a loaded bookcase that's tall, you want to make sure you don't pull it back and tip it over on you. So you should have somebody just in the back holding it up top, and if you move it, try to move it get low, keep your hand up here if you're doing it yourself, and then just push like that. And we'll get it into place. But these really help make the whole job go quicker. So I definitely give them 2 thumbs up. And you know, really we got the whole paint job done in a night. And there you have it. I'd recommend these. See you next time.